Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn your Facebook profile into professional page. So let's get started. So first you have to go to your Facebook profile and then click on three dots and then click on turn on professional mode. Just click on turn on professional mode. Just look at to here you see now we have 922 followers and 535 following, and your friend list turn into followers page. Here you can see dashboard. If you find this video very informative, so don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.